This is the mount that I've made to go on the back of the toolbox for my Codan 9350 HF antenna, and it's made from a trailer bracket, a trailer jack bracket, so it's foldable. So I'll try and fold it down and let you see it. And then it's out of the way. Now I hope to put a bracket on this end to help support it when it's in its resting position. And I obviously still need to do all the wiring for it, but for tonight, that's where it stops. And then of course, to put it back into user position, pull the pin, stand it up, and screw whatever stinger you need on the top of it for operation.